Hey guys, it's Lonnie. Welcome. I just wanted to do a quick how-to. If you saw my recent El Paso Gardening with Lonnie U. Richardson group page, you would see pictures of my apple tree. So we have deer here in El Paso. I live closer to the mountain, and every now and then they like to go in the back hill and climb down and start munching on the fruits and vegetables that I have available. Um, if you see a big black dog running around, that's Zeus. He's he's crazy. Anyways, so I came out this morning and realized that my entire apple tree, well, both apple trees that I have are completely gone. I think they're going to grow back fine. It did that last year too. They come by like once or twice a year and start munching on it around this time. So I expected it, and I knew I should have like put something over it to protect it, but got lazy. You know, this pandemic making me do lazy stuff, like not doing it, even though I know I should. So, anyways, so this gave me an opportunity to show you this egg method of getting a cutting and rooting it. Okay, so I took two branches that broke off, and I just had it soaking in water while I was waiting to do this video. I'll start with this one. So it was like literally hanging off. So what I did was I went ahead and I just cut it. Here, I could even cut it a little bit more. Angle it a little bit. And you see that cut? Horrible, right? So I'm going to use this one. Much better. Cleaner. And then you're going to get some kind of a blade. Obviously, this is not the best tool. I would use like a actual kitchen knife. And you're going to want to just cut right along there. I don't know if you can see it, but make a little slit. And then when you make that slit, you see the green? Sorry guys, I gotta make it a little bit. I brought every utensil tool out here to do this instead of a blade like I should have. Why? Again, it goes back to that lazy part that I was telling you about, you know? Are you guys watching me struggle right now? Learn from my mistakes. Get the proper tools, come out and do it. So it'll be easier for you. Okay, okay guys, I got it. I got it. I got it. See? A little bit of struggle didn't hurt nobody. And see, it just peels off. Like so. Okay. So, you're going to kind of pretty much skin it. I'm going to stick it back in water. And then I'm going to show you how to use the egg. So, you can find these eggs pretty much at the dollar store. They come in, man, any amount. There's some that are like 10 in a bag, 20 in a bag, 30 in a bag, all for $1, especially during Easter time. A lot of parents out there, you know, you keep these. So just take some from the stash. And when you have the egg, you're going to want to stick the part that you skinned inside with dirt, with the soil, right? So when you do that, you need a little piece of the egg. And all you got to do is cut. See? You see how I did that? I just cut, and the little tab right there, you just bend it. And you just wiggle it back and forth. I mean, you could cut it too if you want, but see? So then when you put the egg in there, right? You see that hole? So now you know you got to cut that piece too. Regular scissors work fine as well. So see? And now you have a hole in there, right? So then all you got to do is grab some soil, pack it in there, scoop again, this is just regular garden soil I had available in the yard. Fill it. I go ahead and I just dunk. I have a little bowl here and I just dunk with the soil in there. So then it has water in it. Then you take it and where you made the hole, like so, like that. Make sure you line up the holes like that. And then you close it. And there you go. That's how you're going to root a cutting off an apple tree. You could do it with pretty much, I heard, any cutting. And then somebody asked, how do you know when to water it? It's as easy as just opening it up and then checking it. I made the hole a little bit bigger. See, I kind of wiggle room, I guess you could say. So then that way, all I have to do is dunk it into the water. And then the water sits in there. And that's it. That's all you got to do. And then leave it outside, and in a couple weeks, if to be honest, you could check in a week and see if any roots already started coming out. But it would take about a couple weeks. I would say about 2 to 3 weeks for actually used to see plenty of roots growing. So I'll do an updated video on the results of this egg method. And you guys over there at home with your children, just try it. See what happens. Do cuttings with everything you have in the yard. You could do aloe. You could do succulents. What else do I have in here? You could do even lantanas. Again, you guys know how I feel about that plant. I cannot say that word. Yeah, but pretty much take anything from the yard and plant it. You could do roses and see what roots. So you guys try it at home and let me know how it goes. And give me any suggestions on making it even easier than this. Okay? I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.